Okay, good morning 11th class. Then today in continuation with the chemical properties of alkali metals, now it's our fifth property, that one is solution in liquid ammonia. Okay, this one is very important. You know formula of ammonia, that one is, this one is simple NH3, it's a liquid ammonia. Okay, बहुत ही गंदी सी स्मेल आती है, whenever school will reopen I'll show you, या हम smell करेंगे, then I'll show you कि इसके test वगैरह भी होते हैं. Okay, so now this one is ammonia, liquid ammonia, that one is NH3. Now in case of group 1 element, what's the effect when it react with ammonia? Okay, so actually when alkali metals, कोई सा भी हो सकता है, okay, lithium, potassium, sodium, okay, when alkali metals react with ammonia, or you can say when liquid alkali metals dip या dissolve in liquid ammonia, then it gives deep blue color. Okay, कौन सा कलर देगा? It gives deep blue color, and which one is conducting in nature? They are conducting also, means they are conductors कह सकते हैं, those who conduct. Okay, so they are conducting in nature, and as concentration increases, in case of dilute one, the color is blue. Okay, as concentration increases, in that condition what happens, that one is color changes from blue to bronze. Again reasoning question. Okay, why color changes from blue to bronze? Because in that case concentration increases, and as concentration increases, there is a change in color, that one is from blue to bronze. Okay, now in this one, simple thing, and as concentration increases, just remember one thing, that conductivity decreases. हमेशा conductivity decrease होती है when concentration is increases in case of ions. Okay, because in case of concentrated one, that dissolved ions are less. Concentrated में कैसे होते हैं, dissociated ions होते हैं, वो कम होते हैं, that's why conductivity decreases. Okay, now just see, your conduction तो decrease हो रहा है. In this one, simple thing is given. This one is alkali metal. This is alkali metal. Okay, it reacts with ammonia. It's a X plus Y. It represents whatever number is here. Okay, X, and this one is Y. So this is, okay, after reaction it gives ammoniated cation. Okay, it gives ammoniated cation and ammoniated electron. Okay, one is ammoniated cation and one is ammoniated electron. Now in this one, that this ammoniated electron, this one, that ammoniated electrons are responsible, this one is responsible for blue color. Okay, whatever is the blue color, okay, that one is because of ammoniated electron. And this conductivity, yeah, you can say conduction, that one is because of ammoniated cation. So कौन responsible है conduction के लिए? That one is ammoniated cation, and for color, that one is ammoniated electron. Okay, now in this reasoning question is also there, as I told you why there is a color change, or maybe you have to write reaction. This one is regarding to solution in liquid ammonia. Now another property we have, that one is hydration of ions. That one is also important. Okay, same property we have in second group also, that one is in alkaline earth metal. So hydration of ion, it's important. Okay, now just see. Okay, 11th class. Now another property we have, that one is hydration of ions. Now in case of hydration of ion, first of all, that one is very important, that is what is hydration enthalpy. क्योंकि जो हम hydration की बात कर रहे हैं, तो you should know hydration enthalpy. Okay, तो in case of hydration, hydrated होता है ना, dehydration, पानी की कमी हो जाना. Hydration means, okay, when we are talking about water, थोड़ा सा कुछ ना कुछ related to water. So in case of hydration enthalpy, okay, the simple thing is the amount of energy released, okay, when 1 mole of solid substance gets hydrated, or you can say 1 mole of solid substance is dissolved in water, that one is known as hydration enthalpy. Okay, now in this one, simple, how it affects in case of alkali metals, या बाकियों के लिए भी कैसे इफेक्ट करती है. तो just see, the smaller the size of ions, जितना छोटा size होगा ions का, okay, the greater is the degree of hydration. Means the tendency to get hydrated, means to get dissolved in water. Okay, if the size is small, so their tendency is more. Okay, simple. It shows what? That decreasing order. Just see, decreasing order ऑफ एल्कली मेटल्स. अगर हम एल्कली मेटल आयंस की बात करें, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली हाइड्रेशन है, तो दैट वन इज इन आयनिक फॉर्म, नॉट इन मेटलिक फॉर्म. ओके, तो जस्ट सी दिस वन इज Li पॉजिटिव, सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट वन इन देयर रिस्पेक्टिव ग्रुप. Okay, after that it's a Na positive, after that it's a K positive, after that it's a rubidium, after that it's a cesium. Okay, so smaller is the size, greater is the degree of hydration. Okay, so this one is regarding to hydration of iron. Okay, now in this one, okay, again one note is very important. Okay, if hydration enthalpy is more than lattice enthalpy, okay, if hydration enthalpy is more than lattice enthalpy, so in that case, okay, that salt is soluble in water. अगर hydration enthalpy ज़्यादा है okay, किससे, lattice enthalpy से, तो in that case salt is soluble in water. And if it is opposite, means hydration enthalpy is less as comparison to lattice enthalpy, so in that condition that salt, particular salt is not soluble in water. Okay, on that this basis we have, okay, reasoning question also that I'll explain you later. Okay, now after that this one is regarding to hydration of iron. Then next property we have, that is reducing nature. Okay, or you can say that one is reducing nature. Okay, 11th class. Then next one is, that one is reducing nature. Okay, now reducing nature, you know, oxidation, reduction, reducing nature. Okay, reducing agent, oxidizing agent. So simple in case of reducing agent are those who help in reduction, जो reduction में help करवाने हैं. Okay, and how they help in reduction? By providing hydrogen, because addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen, or it's a gain of electron, that one is reduction. So in case of reducing agent, they help in reduction. So how they help in reduction? Okay, simple, by loss of electron, you can say by loss of electron. Okay, loss of hydrogen, okay, means by loss of, and another one is gain of oxygen. तो कोई सी भी क्राइटेरिया ले सकते हैं. तो है in terms of electron. Okay, तो you know that one is in they are reducing nature. So reducing nature means, okay, they are providing electron and help in reduction. Okay, तो regarding to alkali metals अगर हम बात करें, तो they are very good reducing agent. Okay, बहुत अच्छे reducing agent है, because they have tendency to lose electron. Okay, although in case of this one, lithium is the strongest reducing agent because of its high hydration energy. और होना क्या चाहिए, normally as we move down the group, the tendency to lose electron, that one is increases, so reducing nature also increases. But in this one exception is there, that one is lithium. So in case of lithium is the strongest reducing agent because of its greater hydration enthalpy. Okay, just because of that lithium has highest reducing nature, you can say, and that I'll explain in terms of electrode reduction. Potential की terms में भी I'll also explain, and that I will study in redox reaction. Okay, now after that, just see in this one reasoning question is there, not reducing nature. Now your chemical properties complete. Okay, so now maybe reasoning question is there, that lithium is mostly hydrated, generally lithium salt. Okay, like this one, when it combines with the chlorine, so it forms LiCl, that one is dot 2H2O. So maybe reasoning question is, lithium salts are mostly hydrated. Why? So simple, you know, in this one, because size is very small, so in case of this one size is small, so their hydration enthalpy is higher as comparison to lattice enthalpy. That's why lithium salts are mostly hydrated, because rest of the members, either it's an NaCl, okay, then it's a KCl, they have no tendency to accept or to get hydrated. Okay, so this one is only LiCl, that one is hydrated just because of the small size, and their hydration enthalpy is higher. Okay, now 11th class, one question arises ki if NaCl don't have tendency to get moistened or to absorb water, okay, तो why salt, okay, जो हमारा टेबल सॉल्ट है या कॉमन सॉल्ट है जो घर पे प्रेजेंट होता है, तो वाई इट गेट्स मॉइस्चर और वेट ड्यूरिंग रेनी सीजन. तो वो वेट क्यों हो जाता है रेनी सीजन में, इफ NaCl हैव नो टेंडेंसी टू एब्जॉर्ब वाटर. ओके, देन दिस वन रिमेंबर वन थिंग, दैट NaCl कंटेन्स some impurities or in very small amount. Okay, either it contains magnesium chloride mainly, बहुत थोड़े से अमाउंट में होता है, एंड मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड दे हैव हाई टेंडेंसी टू absorb water. Okay, that's why that NaCl get moisture during rainy season. Okay, so this one is regarding all about your chemical properties of alkali metals. Okay, thank you.